We get this question asked often enough that I thought, well, maybe I'll just go ahead and make a video and explain how to go about getting the files that come with your Patreon membership. Now, a couple of real important things about the Patreon membership that I don't think a lot of people do understand exactly what you get for your $20 a month. So, for $10 a month, you get access to all the files. Okay. And when I say access to all the files, you see here it says recent posts. As we scroll down, you see there's a link for this particular image, right? There's a link right there to download. So if you're on the $10 tier, you could just, or the $20 tier, you just click on that link. And as we scroll down, this is about our live classes. You can see that. Now this is the live class files from 6.8. Again, there's a link. And there's another thing about live classes, more live classes. Here are the class files from 6.1 and the link. And you keep scrolling down, more about our live classes. Our live classes are free, but you keep scrolling on down. Now, this particular one, you see it says right there, now available on the website. Now, that is a website only product, okay? And it says now available on the website. So, the same thing here, now available on the website. So, you know to go to the website if you're interested in that. All right, and then we scroll down here, and this is just a custom lamp that we worked on for a customer. I was just sharing. And now we're back to a download file. So this is the insert for the Jersey box, right? But this unfortunately is the only way to access the files. This is not this is how Patreon is set up, and it's kind of annoying. Trust me, I certainly realize that. But after every post here, okay, there's the insert, and then there's the gift box. Now we're back to our live class files. Okay, so um, that's the advantage. One of the advantages of being in the $20 tier is you get access to all of our live classes, um, and we do some that are for Patreon members only. But you also get the class files themselves, which is kind of nice. And every single month in our Patreon, we give away a brand new 3D printer. So this month we're giving away a Bamboo P1S. The next drawing is actually July the 4th. So as long as you're a Patreon member, but on July 3rd, midnight July 3rd, we're having the drawing on July 4th. But again, here's the graduation tire shelf lamp. Okay, there's the download file for it. Now this is a website only file, so you'd find that on the website. But this file here is on the Patreon. This file here on the Patreon. So really, you just have to go through. Um, so that file there, the night lamp here, this file here, all of these files and the associated link is right there. So you just keep going and you can download all of these files. This is, see, special file release, but it's a website only product. So it's not on the Patreon. But back to Patreon files, we've got the can opener and the candlestick and our Philadelphia lamp, our United States Navy pay wand, okay, straw topper, can opener. This is just a little keychain file, and the list goes on and on and on. But that's the only way to access the files here on the Patreon. So and also on the $20 tier, you get the class files. You're entered into our monthly giveaway, and you also get a free one-on-one consultation with me, answer questions that are 3D printer related or whatever you want to do for your one-on-one consultation. And then you also get 1 hour of design services. So if there's something specific you need or want to learn, you can take advantage of that 1 hour every single month with me for 20 bucks. So it's kind of a no-brainer. But yeah, we're really excited about giving away our first 3D printer on July 4th. And I don't know that we're necessarily going to give away a 3D printer every month, but we're going to give away a major big prize every single month. We really want to give away printers to kind of level up your game because, as you know, to print something like this, to print a lamp like that, it's going to be real nice to have a couple, 2, 3, 4 printers and knock this out in just a matter of a few hours versus tying up a whole day to print that, right? So there's the download file right there. So there's the download file. So you just come in here, download away. Like I said, you just keep scrolling and you'll find all the various download files. Okay? So that's how you get access to your Patreon member files.